Welcome everybody to ENV 4053 Environmental Fate and Transport and ENV 6668 Environmental Systems and Processes. I am Dr. Dan Meeroff, and I will be your guide on this incredible journey as we explore the physical, chemical, and biological processes that transform pollutants during their transport in space and time in the environment. For those of you who don't know me, I am a professor and the Associate Chair of the Department of Civil, Environmental, and Geomatics Engineering at FAU. And I am also the Director of the Laboratories for Engineered Environmental Solutions, also known as LABES. When I was in second grade, I became fascinated with the environment, and I wanted to design solutions that would make our world a safer place, with clean drinking water and safe air to breathe. You should know that I love working with students, and this is my dream job. In 2014, I was awarded the Engineers Council John J. Guerrera Engineering Educator of the Year Award for all of North America. And in the same year, I was also elected the Distinguished Teacher of the Year for FAU by the students. This is FAU's highest teaching honor. In 2015, I was awarded FAU's first ever Distinguished Research Mentor of the Year award. And I'm also a principal investigator for the National Science Foundation LEARN program, which seeks to get science and engineering students engaged in undergraduate research as a vehicle for student success. My research interests are in the field of environmental engineering and include developing innovative treatment technologies that mimic natural systems, specifically by applying physical, chemical, and microbiological processes in novel approaches, just like this class. My specialties involve the application of advanced principles of chemistry and biology for solving the world's environmental challenges. I'm also a local boy. I went to J.P. Taravella High School in Coral Springs. Go Trojans. Then I went on to attend Florida Tech in Melbourne. Go Panthers, where I graduated as the top of my class. To win a national championship in soccer. And I was elected to the Florida Tech Sports Hall of Fame. I then went on to study at the University of Miami, go Canes, and you may recognize the gentleman standing next to me in the picture. Dr. Bletcher and I were roommates at the University of Miami. We got our PhDs together there. I earned my master's and doctoral degrees in civil environmental engineering at the University of Miami, and went on to have a very brief professional soccer career. But I'm still a huge soccer fan. I also refereed professionally, and I am a staff coach for the United States Adult Soccer Association, where I teach coaches how to coach soccer. My family is from Argentina, but I was born in the United States. And if you're wondering, my favorite soccer teams are Estudiantes de La Plata from Argentina and the U.S. national soccer teams. Right now, I'm starting my own little soccer team with my two young sons, Dylan and Cassidy. In this class, you will learn how to describe what happens to a pollutant when it gets released to the environment. That's called fate. And where it ends up. That's called transport. We'll also explore the technical skills you'll need to model the fate and transport of pollutants in various environmental media, like air, water, and soil. We do this to make you a more marketable environmental engineer for your future career. Required class that you need to graduate. This course is designed as a hybrid online in Canvas with synchronous class meetings on WebEx and a few lab experiments sprinkled in here and there. It is required that you already have been exposed to an Introduction to Environmental Engineering course and General Chemistry 2 with lab. And it also helps if you have some knowledge of differential equations and hydraulics too. The things that I feel are most important for you to recognize in this course are that I expect you to manage your time and keep up with the work, which means that you'll be responsible for interacting with me and your classmates during class time. And you will turn in all of your assignments on time. If you have any questions or concerns during the course, please know that I want you to succeed. The preferred method for sharing your thoughts and questions is to use the FAQ, Frequently Asked Question Discussion Board, in Canvas. But for any other personal communication, or if you just want to talk about soccer or Legos, as you can see behind me, I have an embarrassingly large and growing Lego collection. You can think of me as your coach, and my job is to get you to develop this new skill set and perform your best to express your full potential. I know that if you put in the work, you will thoroughly enjoy the class, and I look forward to seeing your smiling faces on WebEx, especially for the first class session coming up. See you soon, and go Owls!